Since 1997, Louvretec has been involved in the design, development and manufacture of a comprehensive range of internal and external aluminium opening roofs, airfoil louvers and shutter systems. For all the right reasons, aluminium louvers are seen as a top-quality product, enjoying an ever-increasing degree of acceptance in a market demanding a high standard of design excellence, attention to detail, innovation and ultimately installation expertise. In order to continue to meet market demands and expectation, we are pleased to introduce our new multifunctional spiral pivot system. Since you can't see from the outside, we thought it opportune to take a moment or two to briefly explain just what makes the spiral pivot system so good. Fully assembled, the spiral pivot mechanism sits within a two-piece aluminium frame measuring 75mm by 50mm. Hidden away in the heart of the extrusion are injection-molded spiral-geared bearings. These big, low-geared, self-lubricated, UV-protected bearings are beautifully engineered to provide a powerful 180-degree pivot to each individual louver blade. The bearings were recently awarded the Gold Medal at the New Zealand Plastic Industry Design Awards in the category of building products. The drive bearings are fitted to one side, pivot bearings to the other, and colour-matched die-cast end caps are screw-fixed into the louver blade, in this case a 120mm airfoil. The blades are aligned with the bearings individually inserted and the bearing fixed in place. Additional blades, as required, are added and the marine-grade stainless steel hex axle inserted. A pre-punched notched angle cover designed to clip fit to form the 75 by 50mm frame is located and screw fixed. By adjusting the spacing on the notched cover angle, the bearings can effortlessly be located to suit the pivot centres of a wide variety of louver blades. There are various options to drive the spiral pivot. For hand opening options, our unique quad gearbox not only fits hidden within the 75 by 50 frame, but can be operated by a winder from above, below, front or back. It cannot get neater, more convenient or more cost-effective than that. On airfoil louver panels, often the operating system is in full view, and clean aesthetic lines are important. Not only is the pivoting mechanism hidden, so too is the motor. Hidden away in the top or bottom 75 by 50 frame is a powerful, compact, inline tubular motor driving through a right-angle gearbox. Full control of light, shelter and shade at the touch of a button, these 240-volt motors are available with a range of modern switching and remote control options and are compatible with fully integrated electrical systems. Now, due to the endless spiral operating mechanism, all louvers using this system have the advantage of rolling fully through 180 degrees. You choose the type of blade and opening system you want, depending on your requirements. From the 120 or 180mm airfoils to the new 200 and 300mm maxi louvers, and maybe even the big 600mm maxi, the biggest in its class. Also included, with some modifications and redesign, is the 180mm opening roof system louver blade. The lines of the blade have been cleaned up and a wool pile closing strip option has been introduced, tucked up and out of sight. On exposed windy sites, this will eliminate any possibility of blade rattle. Fitting within a structural frame, the extruded gutters are fixed in place, butt joint in the corners with not a rivet in sight. Following the same steps as shown previously, the blades are installed, with the 75 by 50 operating mechanism on the drive and pivot sides only. In addition to the quad hand-operated gearbox and the inline 240-volt motor previously shown, a fully covered 12-volt belt-driven motor option is also available. This motor sits on top of the 75 by 50 drive frame. Once again, the blades turn through a full 180 degrees. Adjustable louver systems are all about controlling sunlight, shelter from wind and rain, and providing shade and privacy. They also look great. Flexible, versatile, multifunctional, incredibly strong, designed for the harshest marine environments. Fully warranted for material and workmanship. Finished in anodized or powder-coated aluminium, our louvers are one of the hardest wearing, most durable building products available. A squirt with a hose and a washdown with a sponge or car brush is the recommended maintenance required. Louvretec's range of spiral pivot operated louvers now offer new and stylish solutions for whatever your application. For further information, contact your nearest Louvretec dealer.